Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO Asset Accounting Configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will update the description for the chart of depreciation area or chart of depreciation. So go to transaction code SIMG here, then press enter. Go to financial accounting, then asset accounting. Go to organizational structure here, and then click on copy reference chart of depreciation and depreciation areas. Click on the second one, specify description of chart of depreciation here. Click on position, search for your chart of depreciation. Then click on save, continue. So by this way you can update your description for chart of depreciation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.